Hello, my friend. Many English learners believe that good English means speaking fast. They listen to native speakers in movies, podcasts, or YouTube videos, and they think, if I want to sound fluent, I must speak like that. So they try to speak faster. They push their words, they rush their sentences, and very often they feel nervous, tired, and disappointed. But here is a gentle truth. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is clarity. Speaking English slowly is not a weakness. It is not a sign that you are bad at English. In fact, speaking slowly is often a sign of control, confidence, and real understanding. Let's explore why speaking English slowly is so powerful, especially for people who are learning. Speaking slowly helps your brain work better. When you speak a new language, your brain is doing many things at the same time. It is choosing the right words, thinking about grammar, remembering pronunciation, watching the listener's reaction. This is a lot of work. If you try to speak too fast, your brain cannot keep up. Words get mixed. Grammar breaks. Your voice becomes tense. But when you speak slowly, something beautiful happens. Your brain has time to choose better words, build clearer sentences, correct small mistakes naturally. You feel more in control. Your thoughts become calmer. Your English sounds cleaner and easier to understand. Speaking slowly gives your brain space to think. Speaking slowly improves your pronunciation. Many learners worry about pronunciation. They ask, why do people not understand me? Why does my English sound strange? One big reason is speed. When you speak too fast, sounds disappear, word endings are lost, stress and rhythm are unclear. But when you slow down, each sound becomes clearer. Word endings are heard. Your English has better rhythm. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You just need clear pronunciation. Speaking slowly helps listeners understand you, even if your accent is strong. And remember, having an accent is not a problem. Speaking unclearly is. Speaking slowly builds real confidence. Many people think confidence comes before speaking well, but in language learning, confidence often comes after small successes. When you speak slowly, you make fewer mistakes. You are understood more often. Conversations go more smoothly. Each good experience gives you a little confidence. That confidence grows quietly, day by day. If you speak too fast and make many mistakes, your confidence drops. You feel embarrassed. You feel afraid to speak again. Speaking slowly protects your confidence. It helps you enjoy the process instead of fighting it. Native speakers also speak slowly, more than you think. Here is something many learners don't realize. Native speakers do not always speak fast. They speak fast with close friends, about easy topics, when they feel relaxed, but they speak slowly. When explaining something important, when talking to strangers, when they want to be clear, good speakers adjust their speed. They slow down when clarity matters. So when you speak slowly, you are not speaking bad English. You are speaking careful English. And careful English is powerful. Speaking slowly helps you think in English. Many learners translate in their heads. First, they think in their native language. Then they translate into English. Then they speak. This takes time. If you speak too fast, translation becomes stressful. You panic. You freeze. Speaking slowly gives you time to think directly in English. Use simple structures. Let English come naturally. Slow speech helps you move from translation to thinking in English. This is a very important step. Simple English spoken slowly is better than complex English spoken fast. Let me say this clearly. It is better to say, "I don't understand this problem. Can you explain again?" than to say a long, complex sentence very fast with many mistakes. Simple words, clear sentences, calm speed. This is strong English. Many learners want to use difficult words to sound smart, but real communication is about being understood, not showing off. Speak simply, speak slowly, speak clearly. Speaking slowly helps the listener feel comfortable. Communication is not only about you, it is also about the listener. When you speak too fast, the listener feels pressure. They worry about missing information. They may stop listening carefully, but when you speak slowly, the listener relaxes. They understand more. They feel comfortable talking with you. Good communication feels like a calm walk, not a race. When people feel comfortable with you, they want to talk more, and more conversation means more practice. Speaking slowly reduces fear and anxiety. Fear is a big problem in language learning. Fear of making mistakes, being judged, sounding stupid. Speaking slowly is like taking a deep breath before speaking. It tells your body, it's okay. I have time. Your voice becomes softer. Your body relaxes. Your mind feels safer. Slow speech reduces anxiety. And when anxiety goes down, learning goes up. How to practice speaking English slowly every day. Now let's talk about practice. Here are some gentle ways to train yourself to speak slowly. 1. Read aloud slowly. Choose a short English text. Read it aloud, very slowly. Focus on each word. Don't rush. 2. Record your voice. Speak for 1 minute about your day. Listen to the recording. Are you rushing? Try again. Slower. 3. Pause between sentences. After each sentence, pause for 1 second. This small pause makes your speech clearer and calmer. 4. Breathe before you speak. Before starting a sentence, take a small breath. This naturally slows you down. 5. Practice with simple topics. Talk about easy things. Your morning, your job, your favorite food. Easy topics help you focus on speed, not vocabulary. Don't be afraid of silence. Many learners are afraid of silence. They think silence is bad. But silence is not your enemy. Silence is your friend. A short pause shows you are thinking, makes your speech clearer, gives you control. Native speakers pause all the time. You don't need to fill every second with sound. It's okay to stop. It's okay to think. Your goal is not to speak fast, but to speak well. Let's change the goal. Not I want to speak fast, but I want to be understood. I want to feel calm. I want to enjoy speaking English. When you change the goal, your learning becomes lighter. English is not a race. It is a long, gentle journey. Walk slowly. Enjoy the path. A small reminder for you. Every time you speak English slowly, you are respecting your brain, respecting your listener, respecting yourself. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to compare yourself to others. Your English is growing, even when it feels slow. Especially when it feels slow. Speaking English slowly is not a weakness. It is a quiet strength. When you slow down, you speak with clarity, confidence, and peace. And that is real progress. Thank you for listening, my friend. If you enjoyed this message, please like, subscribe, and stay with us for more English motivation every day.